Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Poco F4. And first of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in that tutorial will be always the same. Okay, let's start. First of all, you will need the settings form. So just scroll down right next to the camera, and then you will have here the control center. And the part of the control center is here always the symbol for the settings. So just tap on the symbol for the settings, and then you are in the settings, of course. And then you need to scroll down a bit to the point additional settings. In front of it, you will have a gray icon with 3 white points in it. So look for the gray icon with 3 white points in it. Tap it. And now we will need the second point, languages and input. And now we will need the first point, languages. Okay, and now you will have all the languages which are available here on the phone. And let's keep going on maybe in English again. And you can choose here the dialect, by the way, as well. Now let's take maybe the dialect from India. Greetings, by the way. And now my phone is in English with the dialect of India. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.